In this video, we will be making a portfolio website that covers an About Me, a projects list, and an activities and awards section. I also already have the CSS styling set up, and we'll go through how that works in the second part of the video. First off, we need the metadata for the website. Doctype HTML tells the internet this is an HTML file, and HTML lang n tells the internet that this is in English. We let our char set be UTF-8, which is how we translate into binary. Then we make our title and link our style sheet from styles.css. We'll make a title box, call it top box, and give it a wrap class so that there's padding. We'll assign a class to role so that we can make it in italics, then a class for contact, which is our school, town, and email. We can then make a navigation bar which tells us about our About Me, our projects, and our activities, so we'll do that next. These links will take us to the About Me section, the project section, and the activities awards section. So once we paste it in, we'll have an About Me section. For our About Me, we'll need to have lots of divisions in order to make Flexbox work correctly. You can figure out what Flexbox is by looking in the CSS files and see how it's all grouped up. First, we'll want the wrap class, and then to make a header which gives us a number, a name, and a line, and then the rest is all grid and making a box for left and right spacing. For our projects, we'll also have to do the same complicated nesting, and we do the same header as before to make the line and everything, then a paragraph element just saying, here's the projects we've made. We can then add a ledger class which takes in all our entries, and a projnum class to make it seem like a list. Then add the term it took place in for a nice timeline, and you can start adding H3 for a title, a paragraph for description, and short tags for categorization. Now, for a picture, you have to make sure it's in your GitHub repo for when you publish online, and to add a link, incorporate it under the right content to make sure it's under the picture. For activities, it's a little nicer. You add the same header from before, then make a 2-column class to divide activities and awards, and you add everything with list. You add everything in sort of like a JSON, but in HTML form. List, span class name, close span again, span class when, close span, close list, and then you're good. So a lot of parents and a lot of nesting. Here's the CSS stuff. I'll just be toggling stuff and moving it around. You can see that when you take stuff out, some things change. So like color inherent changes the URL to whatever font you had before. And you'll be seeing me change a whole bunch of stuff. I won't go over the commentary here. To publish to Vercel, all you have to do is go to their main website, sign in, link your GitHub repo, and then hit deploy, and then you're all set.